Hey, what's up, Brian? Tony here. Wanted to get you that video that I promised you. I'm going to try to be quick. I tend to blather on for a little while on these, but I want to make sure you understand sort of where I'm coming from and just give you some information. So the top three ranking factors for organic ranking are content, the content on your website, words, images, videos, then backlinks, excuse my phone, and then citations. Content, like I said, words, videos, images. Backlinks are votes for your site from other sites, so putting your website URL out on other sites. Good sites, not bad sites. Not all backlinks are good. And citations, which are directory listings, so the equivalent of the Yellow Pages, but on the internet. So yellowpages.com, CityStar, Yext, all of those different websites. There's like 400 of them. So content being the first and most important thing. Obviously, I can't critique your current site because it's being redone, but one of your top competitors for a major keyword of yours, Reliable Appliances, they have about 500 words. They have some images, 500 words or so. Not hard to beat. The rule of thumb generally is we want anywhere from 1,000 to 2,000 words of content on the homepage. You want it to be authoritative. You want it to contain the keywords that you are trying to search for in images, in headers, in page titles, things of that sort. I mean, literally, these images, when they're saved onto the website, what they are called when you save them up to your website, Google knows about that. So if you just say refrigerator here, which is what these guys did, you're not doing yourself a whole heck of a lot of good. You want it to be a keyword that brings in search volume. So something like refrigerator repair Colorado Springs would be a better thing to save this as. So that's a little trick of the trade. So these guys, not hard to beat, but they're ahead of you for a major keyword. Same with Mr. Appliance here. This is the page on their website that was ranked for this keyword. I'll show you in a minute. They have so these guys had about 500, maybe 400 or 500. These guys have about maybe 200 to 300. So not hard to beat. If you get your new website with about 1,000 to 1,500 words of content on your homepage, and then maybe per back page 300 to 500 words, you're probably going to be doing good. So that's number one. Number two is backlinks. Backlinks is what helps you rank. So this is the keyword I was looking for. This gets about 450 searches a month, and is, this is buyer intent. This is a buyer intent keyword. When somebody searches for this, they're looking for somebody generally to repair their appliance. So you want to rank for this. Right now, that Reliable Appliance is sitting third behind Yelp and Sears. And then the other one, Mr. Appliance, is what, fifth or sixth? You, from my location in Rock Rimmon, are 10th. You're not getting any clicks, barely any clicks for this. So we get you ranked up, you all of a sudden start getting clicks. We need to get those backlinks out on those powerful websites, which is what essentially I do. And then you can start ranking for these keywords that are important to you. So right now, for the current website that you, where did Peak Appliance go? All right. I seem to have been signed out. Let's go. You have, for your previous website, about 50 backlinks. Don't look at this number, look at this number. They may not all be the most powerful backlinks in the world, and you've had the same backlinks probably for a while because the referring domain number has slowly dwindled. So it peaked here for a second, not sure what happened, but it dropped back down. And with those backlinks, your organic traffic over time, we had an algorithm change by Google at some point here, but it's remained essentially the same, right around 400. That keyword of interest, right now, all of your traffic is coming from really a set of used appliance and appliance parts keywords. I don't know how much money that's making you, but the keywords that I think make you money are things like refrigerator repair. That's 150 searches a month. You're 8th position right now. That's bringing you 6 clicks a month. You get this up to position 1, you're going to be getting about 50 to 60. There is the Appliance Repair Colorado Springs one here, 450 searches a month. You're in 12th. You're not even on page 1. You're getting maybe 3 clicks. I don't even know if that's accurate. You get this up to the top 3 position, all of a sudden you're getting a good amount. 60 to 70% of those clicks come from the first position, and I think it's 20% from the second, and then like 10% from the third. So you need to be ranking for these with some quality keywords. Some of your competitors, like Reliable Appliance here, who might get logged out. Let's see. Nope. They are, for Appliance Repair Colorado Springs, they're in 3rd position. They're getting about 27 searches a month, or clicks, I should say, a month from this keyword alone. And you've got Colorado Springs Appliance Repair, which gets 200. They're in position 2, 22 clicks. You're pretty far back for this keyword too. And these guys aren't even really doing so hot overall. They're pretty new, but they're in position 7 ahead of you, and that's getting them 11 to your 3 or 4. So these are the types of things you need to know, is like what keywords get the search volume, get those things on your website, get some proper backlinks to them, and then over time, it doesn't go overnight, but over time you rank organically for those. Then the third thing is your map pack. For local searches, this is deadly important. Right now, from my location, you're sitting at the bottom of page 1, which is like the 20th position. Most people aren't gonna go there. You need to be in the map pack. You need to be up here. The third ranking factor for getting you up here are citations, which is those directory listings. There's about 400 of them available. We get you on to those. You put your name, your company name, your phone number, your address, link back to your website, which gives you some backlinks as well. And the more of those you have, the higher Google starts to rank you in this map pack. If you're not up here, you're losing out on a bunch of clicks. Those numbers I was showing you as far as the traffic here, this doesn't even count those clicks in the map pack. This is just people going to click you here in the organic results. So you're missing out on a ton. Right now, you at peak, peak here, and I didn't mean to drill into that, sorry. You have about 28 citations. Reliable has 21. R&D, Colorado Springs Appliance Repair has 7, and Colorado Springs Appliance Repair has 21. So you're doing better than them here. Not all of those citations are created equal either. They're all ranked by Google as well, the websites that they come from. So if you have ones that are less powerful, that's not necessarily going to help you. But my point to this is we don't want to just beat them by a little. We want to beat them by a lot. That way you get the powerful citations. You get a lot more than them. Makes it hard for them to catch up. You essentially want to put your foot on their throat if you're going to take the time and money to invest in doing this. So with that being said, those are the 3 things I wanted you to know about. These are the 3 things I'm going to suggest we do if you want to move forward with the SEO. So if you still, after hearing this, want to do that, shoot me an email, shoot me a call, say let's get a proposal together. I can get you a scope of work, and we can see what we can do once you get that website up, and we can go from there. So I am curious though, if you speak to the folks that are making your website, if they are doing any amount of on-page SEO for you, meaning are they looking to see what keywords are applicable for your area and your niche, and if they're going to put some of those out there for you. If not, we can take care of it after the fact, but it'd be interesting to know. And if they're not getting you about 1,000 words at least on that homepage, you might want to request they do that. So, all right, as I said, I blather on, so hopefully you haven't fallen asleep, and I hope those ad clicks are picking up for you. If there's anything else I can do, let me know, and I'll talk to you soon. Thanks, Brian. Have a good one.